Hello, and welcome to That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. And I need to make a confession. I've had this Instant Pot now for about 2 years, maybe longer, and I have never made rice. I did what everybody else does. I researched it on YouTube, and I found a guy that does it, and he says that you need to rinse your rice, which I've made rice before, and that's one of the most important steps. Make sure that you rinse your rice. So I have here 1 cup of rice that I rinsed in the sink until the water ran clear. I'm going to put that in the pot. I have here 1 cup of water, so that's 1 cup of rinsed rice. Well, put 1 cup of rice, then rinse it so it's already soaked up a little more moisture. Then 1 cup of water. Put that in. Stir it around so the rice is actually in the water, because this, there. It's like on the bottom of the pot. It's kind of strange. And I always like to season it. So I'm going to add just a little salt. Not much. I can add more later. I can't take it out. Put the lid on the pot, make sure it's on sealing. And we're going to put it on pressure cook on high pressure for 3 minutes. We're going to let it run. It's going to come up to temperature. Pressure cook for 3. Then we're going to let it just set for 10 minutes, just like it is. Just let it come up to 3. It turns itself off. Let it set for 10. We'll be back after that to open the lid and take a look and see what my rice looks like. This video is probably going to be quick for you. For me, it's about 20 minutes maybe, because you got to heat up, come to temperature, go to 3 minutes, rest for 10. So you know what I'm saying. I'll be back when the timer goes off. Hang in there. And we've reached 10 minutes, so we are going to relieve the pressure. You notice there's not a whole lot because it's been sitting here for a while. And I'll go ahead and just turn the pot off too. I always like to shake the water back into the pot. Let that hang there. Get in here. It says you're supposed to fluff it up a little bit. Well, that's what I just did, was fluff it up. And doesn't look bad. Let's see. A little butter, garlic salt, or in my wife's case, a little butter, a little sugar, maybe a little cinnamon, or save it for tomorrow. Make fried rice. Always like to use stale rice in my fried rice. So anyway, that's how you do it. And this has been That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. And this was rice in the Instant Pot. First time. May do it again. Till next time, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the little face. We'll see you. Bye.